Hello guys, welcome to Summer Auto Parts. This is Summer. Long time no see, and today we are back to the Defender project to introduce our new products for the compressor refrigerate for Defender. As we know, after 2020, the car coming with a low profile without a refrigerator. So today's video we are going to introduce the one which is made in China, which is aftermarket ones, and this one is also available for Range Rover and Range Rover Sport, the car after 2023, which new model without the refrigerator. So today's video, so first of all, we are going to show you the detail of this refrigerator. It's very easy to installation. As you see, we already removed all the center console and armrest details to plug and play by this by this plug, and we can also find that there comes the button to register the temperature, which is for the different level of this refrigerator. We can also put 4 bottles, which is under 6 ml, and the bottle of the drink when you go off-road, you are on the way and you are thirsty, want to drink something cold. As I know, for the foreign market, most customers, they like the iced drink. So this is very useful products, and I think the car in the market, there comes more and more the one without the refrigerator. So this is very useful, and I'm going to install on my car today. So follow my videos and let me know if you have any other questions about this product. I will do my best to support you. So follow my videos. Let's go to move on the camera to see the step for the installation. Welcome back to Some Auto Parts Tuner. We can find after 14 minutes installation, the compressor refrigerator is finished. This one is from the car, which is armrest box, which we use the storage box before. But now, after we upgrade the compressor refrigerator, the storage box is not fit it anymore, so this one need to notice. And we can find the signal here. It makes red color, which show us it can be registered button to make the cool or make it cold. The storage is for 4 bottle, which is this size, and we can also put something else you need when you go off-road or anything else. So this refrigerator is not only fit for the Defender, it's also fit for new Range Rover and a new Range Rover Sport. So if the car coming without the refrigerator, don't be worried about that. We can do the support for your car to have the more driving experience, and the more important things most customers are worried about if it's needed to programming or coding. No, that's no need for programming. You do just need to plug and play the connection where there will be work. So any questions, don't be hesitant to contact us. Thank you very much for your watching Some Auto Parts, and don't be forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. See you next video. Bye bye.